I'm sure you've heard the news. Ancient wisdom never gets old. Let's explore the Bhagavad Gita, shall we? Chapter 1, verse 17, sets the stage for the great battle of Kurukshetra. It describes the mighty warriors who were blowing their conch shells, signaling the start of the epic war. This verse highlights the importance of readiness and the power of sound in preparing for challenges. Just like those warriors, we too must prepare and be ready for our life's battles. The Gita reminds us that with the right mindset and tools, we can face anything that comes our way. So next time you hear a conch shell or face a challenge, remember the strength and clarity of the warriors in Gita 1-17.